Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef, and thank you for joining me here at my bar again. Today, we're going to make a very interesting drink with some instant espresso and Kahlua called a Kahluaccino. And let me tell you, this thing's good. If you like a Frapaccino, like the ones at that place that makes coffee, or the ones in the bottle, you'll love this. And the neat thing about it is it's actually really simple to make. There are 5 ingredients. First and foremost, we need some espresso. I know that sounds weird. I just made some instant espresso with this stuff that I usually use for baking. There's no reason to use really high-end coffee in this drink. And this, I use cold water to make this so I don't have to wait on it to cool either. Milk, any kind of milk that you'd like. I recommend you don't use heavy cream because it will get too thick. You're also going to need some cinnamon syrup. Now, as fate would have it, right before I started shooting this, I just made more cinnamon syrup. Basically, it's just simple syrup that you float cinnamon sticks in and let them release their essence into it, that cinnamon flavor. Then we have light rum, and last but not least, of course, Kahlua. We're going to start in a shaker by adding 1 ounce of our espresso and 1 ounce of milk. To that, I'm going to add an ounce of light rum and a 1/4 ounce of my cinnamon syrup. Last but not least, I'm going to add just about 3/4 of an ounce of Kahlua. And then give it a good shake. After you shake this really good and it's frothy and cold, just going to strain it over fresh ice in some kind of a tall glass. I think it looks great in a hurricane glass, even if it is a little short. It still looks really nice in that glass. And then let that foam kind of build up on the top. And that is the Kahluaccino. And like I said before, if you like a Frappuccino, you're going to love this. Oh, it's absolutely one of my favorites. Till next time, if there's something you'd like me to make, if you have a question or a comment, please just comment right here on this video or drop me an email, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. And eat and drink fabulous. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you on the next one.